Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, Jessica is opening a bank account that's earning 2% interest compounded annually. And the expression she's using when she deposits 100 to model the value of her account is 100 times x to the t. We're asked what is x in this scenario if we're looking after t years and she's getting 2% interest. Well, let's look, how would we, without this equation, how would we calculate the amount in her account? Well, in year 0, right, which is when she's putting in the money, she's putting in $100. And then in year 1, she has $100, not 1,000, sorry. She has $100, and she's getting 2% of 100, which is 0.02 times 100. All right, and since this is 1 times 100 plus 0.02 times 100, we can factor by grouping. So we have 1 plus 0.02 is 1.02 times 100. Okay, year 2. We have the original input from the year before. Because we're not taking interest on the value in year 0, it's compounded. So we're taking interest on the new value, which is 1.02 times 100. So we have 1.02 times 100 plus another 2% on top of that. So you'll notice we're doing a similar thing here where we can factor by grouping. We have 1 of this plus 0.02 of this, so their combined is 1.02 times 1.02 times 100, which was this, and me calling it this. So you'll notice every time we go another year, we're multiplying by 1.02. So you can think of this, year 0 equals 100, which we can think of as 100 times 1.02 to the 0. Since this is equal to 1, it's just 100 times 1, which is 100. The reason we're doing this is so we can see the pattern more clearly. In year 1, we get 1.02 times 100, which equals equal to 100 times 1.02 to the 1. In year 2, you've probably seen the pattern. We have 1.02 times 1.02 times 100, which is equal to 100 times 1.02, 2 times this squared. And so this is looking very similar to this formula up here, where t is correlating with the year, and x is this value right here, which is 1.02, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.